Hey everyone, good morning, good evening, wherever you are, and today is hunting for the next monster stock winner. Let's have a look in Trade Vision here. Um, this is from Wednesday, so a couple of days ago. That's a little bit volatile for my taste, and that's a big spike up. CPSH, look at this one. Breakout and a big pullback and a huge run up, and then another ginormous collapse, but that's pretty tasty right all the way through here. Wild spike up. I think we'll leave that one alone, but KLXE is one that I'm finding very, very interesting right now. So back in June 18th, 2025, so 7 or 8 months ago, that was the high, and it's come back down. All of a sudden it's broken out. It's had a little pullback. Let's have a look in the chart. So KLXE, if we go back to that last high, very interesting. So it's popped through that on huge volume, that previous high there, which I really like. 20th of Jan, we've got almost 1 million shares traded, and it's usually trading around 100,000. So a 10x volume here, and it's had a little bit of a pullback as we would expect, and this is looking very, very interesting indeed. So came down, touched the 20 as it usually does, and this is starting to look really good. I like this pullback a lot, and I will be watching this one very closely. KLX Energy, and it's a little bit of a slowdown in the pre-market, which I also like. I expect this one to come down and carry on upwards. So let's see if it comes back down. The RSI just now, it's come off the tops here, and it's starting to come back down. It would be ideal to be catching this on the MRSI around the $52, 52% mark. So let's see where it comes down, if it comes down, and I'll be watching this one very closely. KLX Energy Services. That's the only one really in the breakouts that sort of caught my eye this week. Let's have a look at Tuesday. That's a bit mental. On Monday, I'll be looking at this one for a very long time. That's a nice breakout there, isn't it? $3 all the way up to 5. Let's have a look in the chart and see what's happening with that. NGL, not gonna lie, energy. Yeah, that's really cool, isn't it? Wow, that's just on its way to Mars. NGL energy is blowing up. That looks like it's going to go on and on and on. It's just found a new lease of life. Let's go back to Aval. Yeah, wow, this is really nice, isn't it? Let's a little bit buggy, this software, but let's carry on with it. And is this going to load up? Patience. Aval Grupo. Yeah, right. Very interesting. Big flat line, and then popping on a little bit of volume, usually trading around 37,000, and there's 200,000, and then there's a big push. Someone knows something, 500,000 in there. So this is kind of cool. The RSI is a little bit high for me right now. I wouldn't be buying in here. What are we looking at? Yes, down at the 72s, which is kind of like, it's the highs, and there will be a pullback. I like this stock a lot. Grupo Aval, so check that out. That's kind of cool. And NGL. Wow, did they have a good earnings? Looks like they did. That's just blowing up crazy. And someone's just been cranking the shares in. $2 million worth, about 20 million there. Yeah, that's one to watch as well. So NGL looks really hot right now. I like KLXE. I'll be keeping an eye on that. It's been nice and flat for a really long time, and I think this could be really nice. So KLXE, KLX Energy looks really nice. That's my top tip for now. I'll be watching this like a hawk, and catching the next monsters. This could be a 4x. See you soon. Peace and love, and don't forget to subscribe and like and check out that video. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.